Hey y'all, it's Dr. A. One of you had a question about assignment 8, visualizing quantitative data, and I thought the students' questions were pretty useful and that you might all benefit from me just discussing this assignment a little bit more. So that's the purpose of this video. So I am right now on the upload assignment 8, the student version, the visualizing quantitative data. And so I'm going to open this link right here. I'm going to follow the link that is going to take me to the U.S. Census Bureau. This is all this free information that you pay for with your tax dollars. You pay for the Census Bureau to gather all this information. It's a wonderful resource. So shop around and find a visualization, some kind of topic that you like, that you find interesting. You've got to choose 3. I'm just going to choose this first one, which is manufacturing in America in 2016, and kind of walk you through how you might be able to summarize the visualization. Now remember that your purpose in this assignment is to demonstrate to me that you've read and studied chapter 8. This is the chapter on elementary quantitative analysis, and that you have read and studied it, and that you can apply the terms and concepts from the chapter to show me that you know how to understand these visualizations. So I'm going to click on manufacturing in America. A real easy way to be successful in this class is to liberally use terms and concepts from the assigned chapter. So I've got my book right here. So I've got chapter 8 open, and I'll flip through and I'll find some of these are visualizations already. They're much simpler than the ones in the census data, the website that you're looking at. They still will give you the kind of terms and concepts that you can use. So I clicked on the manufacturing in 2016, and I'm going to look at some of these visualizations. So right here, for instance, what is this? What kind of visualization is this? Well, if you've read the chapter, one thing that you know is that these are bar charts. This is a bar chart here. What do you think is, why do you think that this particular line here, manufacturing, why do you think that that is in a different color than the rest? So I would guess, and this would be something that you might think about, that this is an average. But what kind of average? Is it a mean, or is it a median, or is it a mode? What kind of average is it? So that would be some of the stuff that you could explain to me. And you'll have to read the chapter to learn how to determine what kind of an average this is and what kind of visualization this is. But this is a bar chart. So something else I might look at right here, this is also a bar chart. And again, you see this one right here in the manufacturing, that it's an average annual payroll. So it would be, again, useful to figure out, is it a mean? Is it a median? Is it a mode? What exactly is the reason that this one is a particular color where the rest of the bar charts are this other color? So here's another interesting map, and it's a different kind of visualization. So some of the things that you might be able to find that's worthwhile here is just to look at the title of these visualizations. So this one is called Manufacturing Employment as a Percentage of Total Working Age Population by State. So right away we've got this term percentage that is discussed quite a bit in chapter 8 as a way of conveying statistical information. So if you were to summarize this particular visualization, you would talk about it being percentages and mapped out by percentages. And the way that you can tell about these visualizations is just to read all the text as well as looking at the visual image itself. So here's the question: where does manufacturing occur in the United States? You can answer that question in your assignment and do really quite well. So for instance, where does manufacturing occur in the United States? The darker, if you look here down at the explanation of what the colors mean, you can see that when it's really dark blue, that means that it's a higher percentage than when it's light blue. So what are the 3 states that have the highest amount of manufacturing? And if you explain that to me in your written summary, then you do well on this assignment. Okay, well, I hope that this helps y'all. And if you have any questions, give me a holler. Bye.